Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech channel, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix blurry stories on Facebook. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, launch Facebook application on your mobile device. Now once you are signed in to your Facebook account, you can see the option of menu just at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Now once you are here, you'll see the option of Settings and Privacy just below Help and Support. Tap on it. Now just simply tap on Settings at the top. Now after tapping on it, you'll come across this page. Let's scroll down and you'll see the option of Media under Preferences just below Language and Region. Just simply tap on it. Now once you're here, under video quality, you will see two of the options, which is optimized and data saver. Now, if your option is enabled for data saver, which means that the resolution and the quality for your Facebook story will be low, as Facebook will try to save 40% of the data that you have been using. Now what you have to do is simply select the option of optimized and your resolution and the quality for your Facebook story will automatically be in a high quality resolution. So by doing these steps, you will definitely be able to fix your problem. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for further upcoming tutorial and guide videos.